Group M, you guys, this is your homework for the week or two, starting with 60 seconds of a jumping jack. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. All right, you guys are gonna do 60. I gotta make this video quick. All right, number 2, we're gonna come down here to the floor and we're gonna hold our plank. So make sure when you do the plank, your back isn't like this. This is bad. This is good. Suck the belly button in to the into the spinal cord and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Okay? You're going up to 30 and you're gonna go through that 2 times through. From there, we have the mountain climber. All that is we're here, in and out. Lean forward, don't be back here. This is not a mountain climber. This is lazy, this is good. If you can't get all the way up like that, step, step, step. Going for 35 seconds, okay? Actually 45 seconds. And then from there, we're gonna do the loaded beast. How that works, I want your hand to be nice and strongly placed into the ground, okay? Fingertips spread. From there, I want your knees to be right above the ground, like so. It's almost as if you were trying to slide a piece of paper under the knees, okay? We're gonna lean forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, really push the earth away. 6, open up those hips. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that's the loaded beast. Next exercise, we're gonna go into the leg lift. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lay back on our back. Okay, 2 ways to do this, modified and unmodified. Modified, hands under the sacrum, right above your glutes, under your lower back. You want to have your wrists on that area. From there, you're going to extend the legs out, lift up. 1, 2, 10. You're getting 15 of these. If that is too easy, having the hands under the lower back, move the hands to the side and do it this way. 1, 2, 10. Imagine flattening your back, your lower back to the ground. The flatter the back is, the more activation we'll have in the abdominals. So only go low enough that your back won't arch up like so. So we don't want this arch. We want it flat. Arch bad, flat good. Okay? From there, we're gonna go into the reverse crunch. We're gonna lay back. We're gonna squeeze our calves into our hamstrings, nice and tight. We're gonna flex our heels. We're gonna press our hands down. We're gonna tap the heels to the ground and then pull in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice how I'm bringing my knees into my chest and my lower back is off the ground. This is not doing a reverse crunch. This is nothing. Reverse crunch, lower back comes off the ground. Off the ground. So that's your reverse crunch. From there, we're gonna do a mountain climber concentrated hold. All that is we're here. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're holding the position, squeezing the knee into the torso, up toward the chest, really tightly, and relax. Okay, from there we're gonna do a Russian twist. We're gonna sit back. You got two ways to do this. Feet flat is the modified way. If that's too easy, lift one leg. And bonus, if you can do it with both legs, lift and touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay, from there we have our plank twist. The plank twist, you're gonna be in a plank position. Remember, don't let the lower back sink. Keep the lower back up. And we're gonna turn the hips to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you're gonna rotate the hips in and out while keeping the core braced in a lengthened fashion, okay? It's just a plank with a twist, that's all. Next, we have our resistance exercises. These are to be completed every other day, no matter what you do at the gym, no matter what you do at night, no matter what classes you take, this has to be done. So we're gonna start with the +1 push-ups. You guys are gonna go up to 10, 2 sets of 10. You only get 60 seconds to relax. What's gonna happen? So we're gonna be here. For those of you that can't do a push-up, I want you to have your feet and knees down. Okay, we're gonna do 1. 1, tap, tap. 2, 1, 2, tap, tap. 3, 1, 2, 3, tap, tap. If that's too easy, bring the feet up. So see, my feet are up. Now only my knees are touching the ground. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, tap, tap. If that's too easy, come into a full push-up position and just continue doing the same thing. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tap, tap. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so forth. You're going all the way up to 10, okay? So if you do 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 push-ups, 4, 4 push-ups, 5, 5 push-ups. So think of going 1 to 10 is each a set, every number. Next exercise, we have a tricep floor press. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna lay back on your side. This bottom hand is gonna come up and down across the body over here. From here, you're gonna lift your right hand or left hand up. You're gonna come in line with your shoulder, the shoulder cap, right here. From this position, we're gonna make sure our fingers are nice and spread, our core is tight, and we push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You do about 25 of these, your triceps gonna burn. If that feels too weird, put one hand out and one hand inside and push this way. Now your elbow can kind of help you lift. 1, 2, 10. If you do that, make sure you do more than the number asked of you. So if you can do 25 this way, great. If you can't and you need assistance, then this becomes 50. All right? Push and notice how the tricep presses out. Okay, so that's the lateral tricep press. Next is our floor back flies. This one's a little different. We're gonna flatten our back to the ground. Boom. So now my core is tight. We're gonna put our legs out flat against the ground. We're gonna lift our arms up, and we're gonna let our elbows and our triceps hit the ground. We're gonna make 2 fists, and we're going to squeeze our shoulder blades together and come up like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's gonna happen is your core is gonna tighten up as you're up, but you're just pressing your elbows like right below the elbow into the ground, and it's gonna lift you upwards. You shouldn't feel like your abs are doing all the work, but since you guys aren't 100% yet, you are gonna feel it in your abs, but eventually it's just gonna be upper body. Okay, so that is the back fly. Next, we got our body weight squat. Pretty self-explanatory. We stand up, hands in front of the body, come down nice and low. Now, what some of you guys struggle with is y'all will squat down, and then you'll let loose, and then you'll come up. You're defeating the purpose. You're losing the glute activation with the exercise doing that. So I want you to control your descent down all the way through. 1, I'm still in control. 2, still in control. 3, do 25, toes out, 30 degrees. 25, toes in. Okay? Press through the heels and press through the balls of the feet. Don't let the knees come forward like this. If the knees come forward and the heels come up, that's bad. Don't do this right here. Stay flat. And that's our body weight squat. And last but not least, we're gonna come over to a wall. We're gonna lean up against the wall. We're gonna come into a squat position. So look at the side for me, camera woman. The lower you go, the more hamstring, quad, and glute you're gonna get. Back is flat against the wall. And relax. Don't do this. This is cheating. Arms out in front, or arms to the side. Holding anywhere between 30 to 40 seconds. Core pressed into the wall. And come up to finish. And there you have it. That, my friends, Group M, is your homework for the week. This is Knight Williams, signing out.